In this video, we're going to be talking about Schwab app not working and how you can fix login and connection issues. So first things first, let's just start with a couple of quick fixes. If your application is not working, you can go ahead and visit schwab.com/status for outages and down detectors, right? The other thing you can do is simply go ahead and turn off your phone and turn it on again. Also try to check your Wi-Fi by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You could also turn on and turn off the Apple or airplane mode in order to go ahead and quickly reset your network. If none of those work, what you want to do is simply go ahead and delete and reinstall the application to get a fresh copy. And also another pro tip, when logging in, do not use the autofill and try to double check your username and password for typos or extra spaces. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.